this is pretty much the base, like, of how I want to keep it. And I loved having those branches there, so let's see. They're very green. The greenery will be really nice, especially with the lamp and everything, but I don't know. I think it looks really good. Another like pop of color and to keep with the greenery. I love this bowl because like the browns also bring out the burgundy. I think that goes really well together. I just want to try to find something else to add here. And I have a lot of wood pieces. It's a work in progress. I'm gonna kind of like shop around the apartment and see what other wood options I have and then go from there. I'm just gonna put a candle here. I do have this one that I just got, but it smells like hay a little bit and I'm not 100% loving it. I think it goes really nice there, but the smell, I don't know, it's kind of getting to me a little bit. I ended up moving the blanket ladder here and then just turning the bar cart. I felt like it was really congested here and I think that flows a lot nicer. I wish I had some height here. I don't know, I might like keep exploring. I think this is making me feel a bit better about the dining area. Okay, so this bathroom is such a weird size. I love these two bath mats, but do you think I should leave it like horizontal like this? Or sorry, vertical like this and then horizontal? Or do a horizontal and a vertical like this? I do think I like the vertical and horizontal. I think that is cute. Let's open this big H&M package. So I painted my kitchen. I have been craving a change and my apartment is one that I can't really rearrange the furniture too much, just the layout of everything. There's not many options. And that is something that before I moved out, like I thrived on, was just rearranging. And I find that, oh my God, I'm so excited. I find that rearranging an apartment just makes it feel so completely different. It's a huge facelift and I don't really have that opportunity here. I said instead of chopping off all my hair, I painted my kitchen. Impulse control will go where it goes, but anyway, I then hopped on H&M just to find a couple little things that I wanted to get for the refresh. So let's look, I'm so excited. The first thing are these seat cushions. Now I will say I thought they had straps, so it will be interesting to see how these stay on, but I think these are gonna match the kitchen, the new kitchen vibe. So I actually got these chairs off the side of the road / the trash because my Amazon chairs were falling apart. I loved them, but they weren't practical. And I just haven't decided if I want to stain these guys or not. I think it would be a lot of work with all those spindles. So we'll have to see. Ideally, I would want to, but just for now, I wanted to get some cushions just to make them a little bit more comfortable. And again, I think these match the kitchen so nicely. I don't know why I'm leaning like more farmhousey these days or just adding like little elements of it. So we'll see if that matches the rest of the apartment. Then I got some new towels because I just found the vibe in the bathroom never matched my hand towels. I saw these ones and it's just beige and white stripes. I think that they'll match the shower curtain really nicely, which I had got from Target like a couple years ago. Then I got new, which you would have seen me put down, new bath mats, and those are white, so I feel like obviously the white stripes are going to be so cute. And then this time I got 2 hand towels so I can fold nicely and hopefully that will look cute. Okay, so these are the towels. It's not exactly, so the shower curtain is more gray and these are definitely more beige, but the stripes, like the white and the stripes, really goes with the new carpets, and I've been loving them, this orientation. This is how it's turning out. I completely forgot about these, but also since I painted the kitchen, I got these two just darling, I love anything with ruffles, can you tell? Tea towels. So let's style those and see how they go with the new kitchen. Lastly, I just added these to the cart because they're so cute and they match my knives. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're just these itty bitty butter knives. I thought those were so cute. And that's the H&M haul. So now I just want to go through and style everything, put everything in its new place. Okay, so this is under the sink. I don't think I've ever cleaned it since we've moved in. Normally the organics bin is here. So I'm gonna just take everything out. I got like an under the sink mat from the dollar store and then a new organization that has drawers that pull out, which I think will be a lot nicer or a lot easier to get some of the cleaning things out and things like that. That took so much fucking work, and I literally had to duct tape it because if you put this in all the way, it doesn't stop it, and then you can't fit things standing up here because it doesn't have one of these where you can like make it taller or shorter. So that kind of pisses me off, especially for the price. but whatever, I already got it in here and I can't be bothered to take it all out and then return it. So this is what it's gonna be. So anyway, let's fill it up.